Are people who are innocent going to prison? Are people who don't need to go to prison going to prison?
New at 6 tonight, funding for Missouri's public defender system is the second lowest in the country.
It's actually being called a long-time problem and could lead to a federal lawsuit. ABC 17's Joe McLean joins us live from our Jefferson City newsroom. And Joe, you're told many suspects in Missouri may be getting their Sixth Amendment rights denied.
That's right, Joey, the right to legal representation. And right now in Missouri, the public defender's offices are so understaffed, I'm told, that some people might be missing out on that right.
115 open cases for me right now.
Is that pretty typical for people?
In fact, that is lower than I've been in a long time.
Walter Stokely has been a working public defender in Cole County for almost 3 years. I asked him to describe his day-to-day routine with such a heavy caseload.
You're kind of working all of them at once. I mean, it's kind of like putting out a series of fires or juggling plates in the air.
Stokely tells me because of the constraint on time, his work on each case is, in a way, compromised.
I tell all my clients that I'll do my best for them, and I do. But that said, I cannot do everything that I would like to do on all of my cases.
And Stokely is not alone. According to the State Public Defender's Office, each attorney has between 250 and 300 open cases. That's about one for every weekday of the year.
We've been overlooked for so many years in terms of getting resources that the problem has gotten out of control.
While the state spends about $38 million a year for public defenders, the budget for the Department of Corrections is a whopping $710 million. And Barrett says the problem keeps getting worse.
In 2004, we've received a $2.5 million cut to our budget. That's never been restored. Last year, we received a $3.47 million cut. We're essentially practicing law on a pre-2004 budget.
There is one step the department can take, filing a federal lawsuit against the state on the grounds it's not allowing citizens their Sixth Amendment right. However, Barrett says he does not want it to get to that point, but there may soon be no other choice.
This is a government obligation. This is something the state has to do. So before they start funding things that on their wish list, they have to meet their obligations.
The governor has proposed a $1.5 million increase to the public defender budget for 2017, but the director tells me they need at least $25 million more to begin operating efficiently. Live in the Jefferson City newsroom, Joe McLean, ABC 17 News.
Thank you, Joe. At least 4 other states are involved in lawsuits concerning underfunded public defenders. The student population